This is totally different, this is all about human beings, living, surviving. It's a proud thing to be part of.
Especially when you hear donors' stories about family members that have received blood and they wouldn't have received it if we hadn't have been here in the first place.
You go home feeling that you've achieved something.
I feel quite a privilege to be a member of the Welsh Blood Service team.
I'm a clinical skills facilitator.
I'm a clinic supervisor.
I'm one of the drivers of the wagon.
I'm a clinic collection assistant.
Once you're in Welsh Blood, there's plenty of opportunity for you to move and spread your wings.
Since I've been here, I've done several roles.
I've done a PGC, I've done a clinical skills health course. I'm looking at potentially now going in to do my nursing.
We've got roles in resource, planning, logistics and even communication.
There is plenty of opportunities to grow and to be trained to do things that you haven't done before. I was encouraged to do a master's module, which I really enjoyed.
Well, the results speak for themselves. I really believe that the impact that the Welsh Blood Service has had across the country is undeniable.
I'm here to save lives. I've never had a job that's so rewarding.
I've been here 22 years and I've never wanted another job.
It's a fantastic place to work. Don't think about it, just go for it.